Rellenong Pusit. Ingredients: 3 pieces medium size, squids, cleaned and gutted, 1/2 pounds, minced pork, 15 tablespoons, cooking oil, 2 pieces, carrot, diced, 3 pieces, stalks celery, chopped, 2 pieces, onion, minced, 6 pieces, cloves garlic, minced, 2 pieces, tomato, diced, 4 pieces, Kalamansi, or 1 piece, lemon, squeeze, 1 piece, egg, beaten, 1/2 cup, soy sauce, 1/2 cup, all-purpose flour, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Cooking procedure: combine squid, soy sauce, and juice from calamansi or lemon. Then marinade for 30 minutes, heat a pan, and pour in 4 tablespoons cooking oil. Sauté garlic, onion, tomato and celery, put in the minced pork, and cook until the color turns light brown, 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the carrots, salt and ground black pepper, stir. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, turn off heat and let cool. Stuff the marinated squid with the cooked minced pork. Insert toothpicks at the opening of the squid. To secure the filling, dip the stuffed squid in beaten egg. Then dredge in flour. Set aside. Heat another pan, and pour in 11 tablespoons of cooking oil. Pan fry the squid. Cook each side for 3 to 5 minutes. Note: do not overcook the squid, so that it will remain tender. Thank you for watching. Marinade. Ingredients: 1 kilo, seasoned yellow rice, 1/2 kilo, mussels, tahong,